Would you like me to video it for you? This is JoJo. We had a fire alarm call at 4:30 in the morning. And now we're still here at 6 o'clock in the morning. It's at practice right now, but I'm not there. This is Brittany. Hey, Brittany. And Morgan. And Crystal. This is Crystal. And JoHo. And this is JoHo. Ow! Oh, I'm going to move her. So, JoHo. How do you feel about this fire alarm?
I'm not very happy.
Really?
Yeah, really. I'm
Yeah?
not very happy.
What time is it right now?
6 o'clock.
In the morning?
In the morning, and the fire alarm went off at 4:30? 3:30?
4:30.
4:30. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Not happy.
Brittany,
how do you feel?
Brittany, how do you feel about this fire alarm?
On YouTube?
Yes, you can.
Well then. So, the fire alarm. So, we're gonna go in the back of the room. Bye, Alex, peace out.
We're so cool.